welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make banana sweet balls. Very easy and delicious snack recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add 1 ripe banana. You can go with any variety of banana. Mash it well using a fork. Now it's nicely mashed, so go ahead and add half cup of wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a quick mix. Now start adding little milk at a time and mix it well. You will have to add about 1/4 cup of milk to get the proper dripping consistency. Now we have the proper consistency, so let's start making the banana sweet balls. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, scoop a small portion in your hand and drop it in the oil. Likewise, add 6 to 8 balls at a time. Don't overcrowd. Fry on medium flame for 2 minutes. Then flip it to the other side and let it again cook for another 2 more minutes. Now it's nice and golden brown, so let's remove it. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and delicious snack recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Appam's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Appam's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.